In this video, we're going to show you to install the liftgate latch actuator on your Nissan Murano located in the rear hatch. With the tailgate open, we're going to go ahead and remove the 4 plastic push pins along the bottom of the door panel here, or the hatch panel. Just popping up the center section. We can go ahead and remove the interior trim pull handle using your trim tool. Pop that out. Go ahead and pull this down and work your way around the perimeter. Pull the cover off and set it aside. Now with the rear interior panel removed, you're going to go ahead and access the latch unit from the inside. There's a large hole on the inside, and you're going to find the latch unit on the inside here in the port or hole, and there's a wire harness right here we need to disconnect. You're going to press in on this little plastic tab and pull the harness off. So here it is right here. And with that disconnected, there's going to be 3 bolts around the perimeter here holding this unit in place. We're going to access that from the outside of the tailgate. Let's go ahead and do it. Now from the outside we have 3 10mm bolts. We're going to go ahead and loosen and remove these. With those out, we can reach on the inside, grab that unit, slide it out. Go ahead and feed the unit up and in. Let's get our bolts started. I'm going to get all 3 started and then we'll go ahead and snug them down. This is pretty much a self-aligning component, so you don't have to worry about setting, positioning. Make sure it's good and tight. Let's go ahead and connect the harness on the back side. Go ahead and grab that harness, line that up, press it on. You definitely want to feel it and hear it lock into position. Let's now go ahead and install the trim panel. Let's get to install our cover here. Line up our trim panels. Once we have the panel in place, we can install our plastic push pins. You install the base and then push the centers in. And then lastly, install the pull. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.